Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at relations. And so a set of ordered pair is called a relation. So here's example ABC. We have a set of the first ordered pair 1, 3, comma the next pair 2, 5 like that. And so we have 1, 2, 3 ordered pairs here, 1, 2, 3, 4 ordered pairs here. And so given a relation, the set of X components is called the domain. And then the set of Y components is called the range. And so here's A. The domain of A is 1, 2, right? 1 and 2. Those are the X components of our relation. The domain of B, -1, 0, 1, like that. Domain of C, -3, -1, 2, and 3, like that for our domain. So range is the set of Y components. So range of A, 3, 5, like that. Range of B, 1, 5, 2, like that. C, 2, 7, 3, and 2. And we don't write 2 twice. We omit duplicates. And so this is domain and range of our relation. And so we can represent relations in many ways. The first one is a set of ordered pairs, 1, 2, 3, like that. We can write a table, right? -1, 1, 0, 5, 1, 2, like that. We can also use what's called mapping notation. And so this is tricky. We want to pay attention here. -1 is being sent to 1. -1 being sent to 1, like that. 0 being sent to 5. 0 being sent to 5. And 1 being sent to 2. 1 being sent to 2. And so the domain here, and then being sent to the range that we have here. Another way of looking at it is a graph. -1 being sent to 1, 0 being sent to 5, and 1 being sent to 2, like that. So we're practicing the terminology of relations. So practice number 1, determine the domain and range of the given relations, A and B. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we're looking at domain, set of X components, so 1, 2, 3, like that. Domain of B, -4, -3, and -2, like that. Range of A, 5, 4, 3, like that. Range of B, 1, 2, like that. Practice number 2. Using the sets of ordered pair from practice 1, these ones here, draw a mapping diagram for each. So go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So here's our first set of ordered pairs. 1 is being sent to 5, 1 being sent to 5, 2 being sent to 4 like that, and 3 being sent to 3 as such. B, -4 being sent to 1, -3 being sent to 1, -3 also being sent to 2, and -2 being sent to 2 like that. Okay, practice number 3. Go. Given a mapping diagram, write each relation as a set of ordered pairs. So we have A, B, and C. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we have 1 being sent to 6, 2 being sent to 5, 3 being sent to 7, like that. B, 0 being sent to 4, 1 being sent to 4, 2 being sent to 4, and 3 being sent to 5, like that. C, 2 being sent to 3, 4 being sent to 5, 6 being sent to 7, and 6 being sent to 9, like that. Okay, and here's another little example. 1 being sent to -1 like that, and 1 being sent to -2 like that. So example number 2, given the graph of the relation, determine the domain and the range. So domain, X numbers, they're all the real numbers, and range is going to be also all the real numbers. B, domain is from -1 to 1, like that, so X is between -1 and 1. And -1 and 2 is for the range. Y is in between -1 and 2, like that. C, the domain is X, all X values less or equal to 2, so all of these values like that. And then the range, all real numbers. This keeps going on forever, and this keeps going on forever. So the range is all the real numbers. D, we notice that the domain is 0, 1, 2, like that, and the range is 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. E, we notice the domain between -2 and 2, like that, and the range we notice between 0 and 3, like that. Okay, practice number 4. Given the graph of the relation, determine the domain and the range. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we have domain between -2 and 2, all the X values like that. Range is between 0 and 1, like that, so 0 and 1. B, the domain is all the real numbers, right? This keeps going on forever as such, so all the real numbers for our domain. Range is greater or equal to -1, right? This is where the range is like that, so greater or equal to -1. Okay, and 2 more. Domain and range, go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So C, domain, all the real numbers. Range, all the real numbers. D, domain, -1, 0, and 1, like that. Range is 0 and 1, like that. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.